All right, today guys, we're going to be installing the extra long hood struts. Got these from Z1 Offroad. Just came in today. Seems pretty easy enough to install. We're just going to take off the struts there and there, and should give us some extra clearance under the hood. Right now we're sitting at, I don't know, probably like 30 inches from the top of the Frontier logo to the top of the hood. I'm so hoping to get a few more inches from this install. So the easiest way to uninstall these old ones is to take a flathead screwdriver and wedge it here and pull this ring off. And as soon as that ring comes off, this will disengage, and you can do that at top and bottom. And then just be sure to have a support for your hood as you're removing these, because it can be tough to add one side while the other side's still on, because this is going to be longer, the new strut, and it'll be tough to wedge that new strut in while this is still attached, because you can't lift the hood up anymore to install it. So make sure you have something to support the hood while you're installing. So to date, this has been my easiest install on my Frontier. It only took me, not even 10 minutes to get this on, and I'll check to see how much more room I got from this. Okay, so looking at my new clearance, I'm probably sitting around 36 and a half. So a lot more clearance added. I think this will be really helpful as I'm working under the hood more, and should have some extra space to do that. So really easy install. Really like the result of this. So if this was helpful to you, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Any little bit helps. Thanks a lot.